Yeah, hello friends. In this video, let's talk about one of the important function in PostgreSQL. It is rank. Here we will clearly talk about what is the purpose of rank and what are all the possible examples here. Rank is a function which helps us to assign an incremental number to each and every record based on certain values. See, I want to give a rank based on marks to the students. See, if I am going to consider only marks, then I'll give the rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If any of the two students get the same marks, then I'll be giving the same rank to them. Let us say out of 100, if two people gets 99, I'll give rank number 1 and 1 to two people, and the next rank is going to come as 3 because 2 already covered. So let me quickly show you practically as well here. See, I have two students, assume. So those two students got 99. Okay, 99 comma 99. The other mark is at 96. Okay, and the next mark is of 95. So now if you see the ranks for these people, so here I will give this one rank. This is one rank, and the next rank is going to come as 3. So there is no 2 because 2 already covered here. The next rank obviously will be 4. By using rank, each and every record in a table will get a certain number. Okay, so this is how we give it. Now here I will be considering only marks here, but there are cases, so these marks are from different branches. So let us assume, so this is a branch 1, assume this is a branch 1. Okay, this is a branch 2. Okay, so this is again a branch 1 and this is a branch 2. So that time, so I need to give a ranks only within the branches. I don't want to give in the entire table. So that time I am going to give the ranks like this. So I will consider only branch 1 B1 and B1 and I will provide the ranks. In that case, so branch 1, the rank number 1 for this student, rank number 2 for this student. If I go for a separate branch B2 and B2, then I will be giving a rank number 1 here and rank number 2 here. If you see 4 people, out of 4 people, 2 students got rank 1s because these are branch wise ranks. Okay, 2 students got 2 ranks, these are branch wise ranks. And how to write a queries on a top of a table, we'll see now. So let me quickly go to the PostgreSQL PG admin. So I have one table with a name of EMP. So if I simply run it, I'll get a records like this. I have around some 17 records. So with employee ID, employee name, location, department ID, salary and manager ID. Here I am going to generate rank based on the salary here. So I told you example based on the marks, but practically I show you based on the salary, but the queries are same actually. Then what is the syntax first of all to generate a rank is, so let me write a syntax here. So there are two scenarios I talked about it. So overall table wise ranks as well as only branch wise or department wise ranks. So that time, so you need to write a syntax like this, rank over, on what basis you want to generate a rank. That's the reason why I'm going to put over. Here I told you the column name marks. Okay, column name, this is the column name marks. Order by, on what order? Order by marks. In which order? Descending, ESC. Okay, that's it. So alias column name, so rank, marks rank, something like that, underscore rank. So here I'll get the rank on the top of entire table in this scenario. So if I want only branch wise ranks, so rank same over partition. I am going to split the records based on the branches, then I am going to generate a rank. Partition by branch this is how we give it. So let's quickly write the similar query on the top of employee table. You come here, let me keep that query as it is. Okay, select. So I am going to keep the star as it is, comma, rank over. On the how to generate a rank, on what basis you want to generate a rank, that's the reason why I used over. Okay, so order by, on what column I want to basis I want to generate a rank, salary here, sal DAC, descending, I'm going to make it as sal underscore rank. I'm just giving it like alias name here. This can be anything from EMP. If I type EMP, it will come like this. Let's quickly run this. Now if you see here, the salary is 4,500, got the first rank, 4,150 got the second rank, and 4,050 as the third rank, like this. If you see any of the two people, if you see two people has the same salary, got the same rank, rank number 9. And if you see immediate rank 11, I don't have a number 11 here. Okay, in the similar way, yeah, that's it. I have only one. Yeah, here also I have two different people again has the same salary, which got the same rank, 15. Okay, now if you observe here, each and every record got a rank here based on the salary. If any of the two people has the same salary, you get the same rank. Now, so this is on the overall table actually, but I do not want to do like this. I want location wise ranks as well, location and salary. So in that particular location, who is the highest salary rank and who is the lowest salary rank, and like that. So let me quickly prepare that query as well, and I'll show you the rank. So if you observe here, so if you go for branch wise, two people got the first ranks, two people got the second rank, and so on. But if you go for on the overall table, so sequence will go like this. Okay, now let me quickly write down here, select star rank over partition by, here I am going to divide the data based on the location, order by sal ESC sal underscore RMK or rank, whatever it is, from EMP. If you run this query, now if you see this data, so these are the first Indian employees here. So all the Indian employees are got the ranks as a part of first sequence. So here if you see the India 4150 is the top rank one, and India 2500 is the last rank of 8, and immediately again, so one more location rank started, that is UK, so it is having 1 to 4 people has the 4 ranks here, and even next series is USA, 5 people has 5 ranks here. So none of the people has the equal salary. That is the reason why none of the people gets a same rank in this example. So this is how we are going to write the rank in a PGSQL. So there is a different way of generating a ranks actually. We'll talk about in the next video. That's all about it. Please subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.